This is chapter 5, lesson 7. It's called Avoiding Double Negatives. So the first thing we need to remember is that a negative word is simply a word that says no or means no. So any of our contractions that we've practiced before that end in the N apostrophe T are negative words because remember that N apostrophe T just means not. And then some other common negative words that you might want to remember that are not contractions are listed here. Barely, hardly, neither, never, nobody, none, nothing, and nowhere. So the big thing for today that is if two negative words are used together, we create what's called a double negative, which is improper grammar. So today's just a quick and easy reminder that whenever we are using writing and or speaking, we want to avoid using these double negatives. So I have an incorrect example here that says, I don't want no slackers on this hike. So if you look here, the contraction don't and the word no are two negatives. So instead of using both of those, you can do one of two things. The first correct way to change it would say, I don't want any slackers. So instead of no, we used any. And then the other way that you could change it is to say, I want no slackers on this hike, which was simply taking out the don't and just saying, I want no slackers on this hike. So we're just going to do a couple quick examples. This is a pretty short and pretty easy lesson. So the first sentence says, desert dwellers live where there's barely no or any relief from the high temperatures. So the correct answer here is any, because there's already one negative word in the sentence, which is barely, so we could not say there's barely no relief. Second sentence says, many don't have or have no air conditioning. Correct answer here is have, because we already have the negative word no, so we can't say don't and no in the same sentence. So like I said, pretty easy and pretty quick lesson. When you come in class on Friday, we'll do a couple quick examples and then get started on your classwork.